Okay. This is a textbook example question. In general, what we learn in a right angle triangle, this is height, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always equal to right angle. Okay. So whenever you find hypotenuse, what is the rule? Square root of height square plus base square. If you are finding height or base, it will be minus hypotenuse square minus base square. If you are finding a base, hypotenuse square minus height square. Only hypotenuse we will add them. So in this triangle, what you have to find, you have to length of the chord. The length of the chord is AB, you have to find out at the end. Okay, so what is missing? Height is given 3. Height is given 3. Hypotenuse is given 7. And what is missing? Base is missing, right? If this is a right angle triangle, no. The base, this is base. Base is 3. Height is missing. Okay, so height is BP here. So we are finding BP or PB, you can write. So, which means height. Height you are finding. So, what is the height? Hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse is a 7 square, base is 3 square. So, you get root 40. So, you got square root of 40. So, this you got square root of 40. Okay, but AB length, AB is the double the length of the PB, no? So multiply with 2. 2 times root 40. And you want an answer to be given in 2 decimals. So it will be 12.65 centimeter answer. You can try. Next. Okay, if you observe this question, you have to find out X angle. And there is a property, in your properties, there is one property called outside the circle, if the 2 tangents are drawn, one tangent, second tangent. 2 tangents drawn using the same point. What happens? These 2 tangents are equal in length. If these 2 tangents, which means these 2 lines are equal in length, it becomes isosceles triangle. That means these base angles will be equal. We don't know. So let us keep X and X. Okay. So let's find out what is X. So all the angles in a triangle equal to 180. So 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 40. So 2x is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 divided by 2. So it will be 70. So how much you got X value? You got 70. So right here, you got 70 here and you got 70 here. Okay. Now you have to find a X. What is the rule I told you? Tangent here. And this is a chord. Okay. The angle between the tangent and chord is 70 degrees. It is equal to alternate segment. What is the alternate segment? X. Then automatically X becomes 70 degrees. Alternate segment theorem. Next one. You have to find X and Y. And you can see clearly this Y and 55 subtended at a same arc of the circle. So Y is equal to 58 degrees because angles on a same segment are equal. Next, we have to find X. X is a center angle, no? X is a center angle. Center angle, you have to multiply with 2, right? So take the circumference angle, which is 56, 56 times 2. To find the center angle is X. So you have to multiply with 2 with the circumference angle. So 56 times 2 will be 112 degrees. The rule is angle at the center of a circle is twice at the angle of the circumference. So we got both X and Y. Next one. And you can clearly see all the 4 sides are touching the circle. So this must be a cyclic quadrilateral. What is the rule that you apply? Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So 180 minus 95. How much? 180 180 minus 95 will give you 85 degrees. Next Q also. 180 minus, these opposite angles are add up to 180. So 180 minus 75 will be 105 degrees. What is the rule that you can write? Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. ఏమైంది క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను ఇంకా